Okay. Here, you feel the light on your face? Okay. Good luck.
How could you say you love me when you would come or leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do?
Nice.
Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because I'm loving you. I can't seem to understand. I can love me someone God till you broke my heart. This part of my time. Still my Lord was not enough. Though I did tell you my own, I can't take it anymore. How could you say you love me when you don't believe me? How could you make me hate so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because I'm loving
I had her already. She's in my hands already.
Eileen, may good news ako sa'yo. You're a three-star permit! Congratulations, Eileen! Para lang alam ni Filene, medyo gitna ng kanta si Coach Martin.
Yeah!
Pumindot agad. And right at the end, sabay si Coach KZ and si Coach Bamboo. Congratulations! Thank you! Good job, good job.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hello po.
Ano pangalan mo?
I am Maria Faylene Marihan po.
Anong ang paniniwala mo sa buhay?
Para po sa akin, I believe po na wala pong imposible.
Yes.
Kung mangangarap ka, abutin mo po yung pangarap mo. Katulad ko po, isa po akong totally blind. Yung same eyes ko po ay parehas po siya na wala nakikita. But ako po ay isang batang nangangarap. Isa po akong, naglalaro din po ako ng sport bukod po sa pagkanta. Ang sport ko po ay running, shot put, and long jump po.
Wow! Sabay-sabay? Ang gandang boses mo. Yung kuhang-kuha mo yung feeling ng kanta kahit bata ka pa.
Thank you po.
Nandyan na lahat, no, guys? I think that I just want you to know, napaka-proud kung ako yung tatay mo. Proud na proud ako sa lahat ng sa performance mo, sa boses mo, sa mga notes na binigay mo sa amin. May shot put, may long jump.
May running.
At may running pa. Lahat na sa isa sa boses mo. And I'm so proud to be here in front of you, a potential coach for this beautiful person who probably sees more than all of us.
Yes.
In every song that you sing, you see the world in a different light.
po.
You see the world probably in a nicer way that we see it. So, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
So, athlete pa to. So, competitive. Bagay na bagay ka dito. No?
Ako din, Coach, oh.
At bagay ka sa Camp Kuwai kasi yun ang mga gusto namin, yung mga medyo fighters right? Umikot ako because I liked your voice. I heard the power, pero ito yun, I heard the potential, right?
Thank you
The
po.
potential. May mga parte pa na, medyo, kung ako coach mo, sabihin ko, Faylene, medyo preno ng konti, di natin kailangan gawin to. So, hopefully, makapunta ka sa team ko, Camp Kuwai, at ma-guide kita.
Thank you po.
Sobra akong na-amaze kasi kanina nung nakatalikod kami, parang simula pa lang para kang nasa Broadway. No? Yung parang umiiyak siya. Narinig ko yung mga kaya mong gawin as a singer. And sabi nga ni Coach Bamboo, may mga parts lang na kailangan nating matutunan na pumreno. Pero yun nga, mas madaling magbawas kaysa magdagdag. So you already have the ingredients na kailangan para umabot ka sa pinaka-dulo ng competition na ito. If you will choose me as your coach, like I always say, we will find the right songs for you. Kasi even if you say you are totally blind, when you perform, you allow us to see the world through your voice. And that's a very special gift na hindi lahat ng tao ay meron. Not even all singers have. So I hope you choose me as your coach, and I am just so excited of the things we could come up with pag pinili mo ako.
Are you ready to make your decision? Camp Kawayan, Team Supreme, or Marteam? It's up to you, my dear.
Dahilan ko po kaya ako po siya pipiliin na idol ko po talaga siya, and matagal ko na po talaga siyang gustong ma-meet, and ngayon po nandito na po ako at dito na din po yung idol ko po. At alam ko po na mas matutulungan po niya ako sa singing career ko po. And ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach.
Take your time.